Ever find yourself in a situation where it seems like the woman you're in love with, you're in a relationship, seem to have figured it all out? Like she has everything arranged for herself. She seems to be independent financially, mentally, even emotionally. And you keep wondering, how do I fit into this picture? What do I really bring into this picture? Because in your mind, you're like, this kind of woman, she should even respect me because you like to be the provider. But now you have a woman who doesn't even ask you for money. She don't care if you have or not. She just has her own thing going on for her. Well, welcome to the new age. This is the 21st century. And newsflash, women don't really need men anymore. But she wants you, right? She wants you in certain areas, and that's what I'm going to be talking about in this video. If this resonates with you, definitely watch to the very end. Number one, she wants you to make her feel safe. One of the first needs of every woman on earth, I'm telling you, like every woman, is safety. Every woman wants to feel safe. I remember my boyfriend then, who is now my husband, right? He just asked me a question one day, like out of the blues. And he's not the type that kind of likes to engage or maybe wants to engage in deep talks, okay? So out of the blue, he just asked me, but baby, like, why did you choose me? Like, you could have chosen any other person but why did you choose me? And I'm like, I didn't even think about it. The first thing that came to my lips was, I just looked at him and I'm like, you make me feel safe. So safety in this sense doesn't mean that you have to be a black belter or maybe you have to be a fighter, beating up people around, or she just wants you to be like a safe heaven for her, someone she can trust, someone she can always rely on. I tell you, that is one thing a woman wants you to be. Number two, she wants you to be fun. When you're fun, people like to spend more time around you and with you. It shows that you're fun to be with. So she would want to be with you. So she wants you to be fun. Have a little bit of sense of humor. This is not about all of a sudden becoming a stand-up comedian, right? But having a little bit of sense of humor is going to help, because if you're able to make her smile, to make her laugh, just once in a while, like let the energy around you be relaxing, be comforting. Let her be able to feel very comfortable around you. Number three, she wants you to provide leadership structure and guidance. In as much as she's independent financially and all of that, but there are things that women still like find confusing. There are things that women don't even know how to handle, especially in the house. Maybe one pipe just breaks and she doesn't even know what to do. She's confused. She's just, for someone like me, I'll just be standing. I don't even know the first thing to do. But when there's a man around in the house, before you know, he's already trying to fix. They have this ability to troubleshoot when it comes to fixing things in the house. Before you know, he's already able to patch it up before he's able to get professional help. Even same with cars. Okay, sometimes your car breaks down somewhere or maybe something and you're confused. A woman is confused. She doesn't know what to do, but a man just knows how to get it running. Being able to take the lead in situations, in every situation. That is one thing she wants. Number four, she wants you to celebrate her independence and success. And that is the most difficult part, because I have come to realize that most men, or let me say some men, find it difficult to celebrate their wives when they're actually succeeding. And I don't know why that is. The most effective aphrodisiac is power. Like, why wouldn't you be happy if your wife is making it big and she's breaking boundaries and going up there? You're supposed to be at her back and you're like, yeah, go baby, we're making it. The more the merrier, right? If she's making it big and she's bringing it back home and it's for all of you, so why would you be feeling threatened by that? Why would you be feeling like she's not going to ever see you again, or she's not going to ever be able to respect you or submit to you? That is like a very wrong notion. If your wife is succeeding, you should be able to celebrate her and be happy that she's even doing something meaningful. I mean, I've seen ladies who just litter around and do nothing. And number five, lastly on my list, she wants you to be her friend. I have seen relationships where, the atmosphere is so uptight. People don't play together. People don't even interact in friendly ways. It's always did you do this? Yes. Did you do, this one answer. He says this, he says yes, he says that. Like, she wants you to be her friend. She wants to be able to hold and have conversations with you, even for hours. So what is wrong with that? And this is not even money, because I get this comment a lot where guys will say, just a woman, now money, that one, just give her money and you're fine. Yes, that might be true to some extent, but it's not all women that want your money. Some women already have their own money. They have these things figured out. What do you want to possibly give to her that she doesn't have already? Where do you want to take her to that she hasn't been to already? The fact that you think that money is all women want and you focus only on chasing money, you forget the part of developing yourself, honing your skills, just becoming a better person emotionally, physically, mentally. You just think that let me chase the paper. Once I have the paper, all them bitches will come around. You're making a very big mistake. The reason is because, especially if you're not married yet, you don't even know what woman you're going to attract. You don't know if that woman is now going to be the one that doesn't even need your money. You feel like, oh, have all the money in this life. See, a lot of parents nowadays are like preparing their girls such that they won't even need a man's money. Her parent has made sure that she has the best of education, she has the best of job, she has everything going well for her. What do you think you can possibly like entice her with? A lot of parents are doing this for their daughters. I've seen this firsthand even in our society. So that is the more reason why you as a guy, you need to work on yourself. Thank you for watching. My name is Wendy Zeal. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, if you find value in this video, please don't forget to give it a like, subscribe if you have not done so yet, and stay cheerful. Until next time. Bye-bye.